Can you believe we're at the midway point of 2023 already? I want to give you a little exercise that you can evaluate your business, how things are going, 8 different areas. I do this with my clients all the time. If you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping businesses get more profitable, reducing the chaos, and helping owners to sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, so I'm going to give you 8 different areas, and I just want you to jot down on track or off track. Here they are. Sales. How's revenue generation going for you this year? Cash flow. How are your collections going? 3, profitability. Are you on track to be as profitable as you set out to be? Number 4, what about accountability? How are you doing with holding yourself accountable and your team accountable for results? Number 5, what about the marketing and social media? How are you doing there? Again, on track or off track? Number 6, diversity of referral sources. Do you feel like you have too many eggs in one basket? Or do you feel like, yeah, we're on track. We've got a nice diverse group of referral sources. Number 7, working on the business versus in the business. Working on the business on high level strategy, developing, growing people, other leadership things, or are you stuck in the day-to-day operations way too much? And number 8, what about lifestyle and balance? Do you have the life that you want? Are you enjoying family, friends, or are you just all work all the time? Okay, so you've got these 8 areas and you've listed them as either on track or off track. Book a call with me. In 15-20 minutes, I'll help you come away with a simple action plan so you can start making progress in one or more of these areas that you want to change things. You've got another half of the year. Make progress. Go in the direction that you want to go. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.